Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can allow others to download your videos on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open the Rednote app. Click on the three lines on the top left hand side and click on Settings, which is right next to Feedback. After you click on Settings, go ahead and tap on Privacy Settings. Then you can see the Allow Downloads. You can see the Allow Download My Videos. Just go ahead and tap on this option. Now, what this does is it allows other people to download or save your videos. But if you don't want others to download your videos, they are just allowed to see the videos. Just go ahead and tap on this option over here. Now they have no authorizations to download your posted videos. So you can just go ahead and go to privacy settings and enable the Allow Download My Videos option anytime. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.